Welcome to the RHS flower show, Tatton Park at home. Now Tatton Park is one of my very favourite flower shows. It's wonderful. It's the best northern show. Come to that. It's one of the best RHS shows too. But sadly this year it's not going to run. But never fear, you've got the RHS flower show, Tatton Park at home. And we'll be bringing to you all sorts of contributors. People who run nurseries who you're so used to seeing there and being able to buy their wares. You still can, just look at the website too. We'll have nursery owners, we'll have garden designers, we'll have all sorts of people to bring you the whole joy of the show. And next year you'll be able to see them in real person again. But meanwhile, do visit us, visit the website, have a look at what's going on. I love Tatton Park because I feel close to home for a start. It's a true northern show, open, very spirited, very easygoing and absolutely wonderful. But in terms of horticultural excellence, there's nothing to surpass it. And of course, it's the last big show of the season, so it's packed full of all the delights of later summer. Masses and masses of gorgeous flowers. I always think it's possibly the most colourful show of the entire year. Alongside this, the RHS are launching a careers page. Have you ever thought of either changing your career or starting one in horticulture? It's a brilliant thing to do. I sort of fell into it by accident, but I've enjoyed every single minute of it. It's rewarding, it's real, it's not necessarily brilliantly well paid, but it's the way of the future. You know how all of us have got so involved with gardening over these past few months. Well, think about it. Come along, join us, join in the fun, give your contributions too, and hear what people have got to say right across the board. See you later.